AI animated shorts are blowing up right now. Faceless channels are getting millions of views from simple animated stories. And most people think it's complicated. It's not. You don't need a big team or crazy editing skills. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to generate the images, animate them, and edit everything together step by step. Let's dive in.
First of all, we start with ChatGPT, and this part is important. When you're prompting ChatGPT, make sure you clearly say you want a Pixar-style animation. If you don't emphasize that, you'll get something completely different. So what I did was explain my entire storyline in detail. How many scenes I wanted, the tone, the emotions, the setting. Basically, I typed out everything I had in my head. Then I asked ChatGPT to refine it and also generate detailed image prompts for each scene. It gave me the full storyline, broken into scenes, and ready-to-use text-to-image prompts. I'll drop the exact prompt I used in the comment section so you can see how I structured mine. Next, I moved over to Whisk AI. We're generating our images one by one. If you don't like an image, don't stress. Just go back, adjust your prompt in ChatGPT, and try again. That's literally the process. Now this is important if you want a consistent character, download the image you like. Go to Subjects on the left side and upload that image there. Once you do that, every image you generate after will keep the same face. That's how you keep your character consistent across all scenes. For this tutorial, I generated 5 images. You can do more if you want. After that, I moved to Google Flow to animate them. Click New Project, then Frame to Video, upload your image, and choose your aspect ratio portrait if you're doing vertical, landscape if it's for YouTube. Now here's where most people get confused. When writing your animation prompt, remember 3 things: who is speaking, what they are saying, and how they are saying it. Don't just type the dialogue. Describe the accent, describe the tone, describe the emotion. You're the director. AI is just executing your instructions. I repeated that same process for all 5 scenes. Then I exported everything and moved into CapCut. At this point, it's simple. The scenes are already animated. You can add sound if you want. I didn't. I just added a subtle zoom-in effect and some light transitions to smooth everything out. And that's it. That's how I created this Pixar-style AI animation from start to finish. You're not just generating content, you're building stories. If you found this helpful, follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial.